In question number 7, it is given that Shanti Sweets stall was placing an order for making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. Okay, two sizes of boxes were required. One big box, okay, with these dimensions, length, breadth and height. One small box with these dimensions. Now what is given? For all the overlaps, 5% of the total surface area is required extra. So first we will find total surface area of this box, total surface area of this box, small box, and then we'll add. And in that we have to add 5% of it, okay, because it is given that 5% extra is required. Now cost of cardboard is also given. For 1000 centimeter square it is 4 rupees. So find total cost of the cardboard for such 250 boxes, 250 big box and 250 small box. Okay, so what we will do here, first we'll find TSA of big box using formula LB plus BH plus HL. Okay, I am using capital alphabets because since 2 times it should be used length, isn't it? So L is 25 into 20, 20 into 5 and then 25 into 5. So that will be, say this will be 500, 25 is 100, this will give 125. So 2 into this will be 725, which after multiplication will give 1450 centimeter square. Okay. Similarly, we'll find TSA of small box using the same formula 2LB BH plus HL. So 2 times LB means 15 into 12 plus 12 into 5 plus 15 into 5. So this will be, this is 12. This will be 180. 12 5s are 60. This will be 75, which after addition will give 240 and 75 means 315. So that will be 630 centimeter square. Okay. Now total area will be, total surface area of both box will be 1450 plus 630. We can add this, isn't it? So what we will get, see, 0 630. Okay, we have to add 8 2080. 2080 is TSA of both box. This is in centimeter square. Okay, now 5% of extra required. So 5% of this we should find. So 5% of TSA of both box. So 5% means 5 by 100 of this one. Okay, so 1 0 will go. 5 2s are 10, 2 1s are 0, 2 4s are. So 104 centimeter square. So this is extra. This we should add in total. Okay, so what we will do, next step, now to TSA of both the box with extra overlap, है ना? This we should add. So that means with extra overlap will be 2080 plus 104. So that will give 104 we should add. So that will be 4821. Now what is the condition given? This is total surface area of both the boxes after extra overlap. Now cost is also given. So for 1000 centimeter square area, cost is 4 rupees. But what we got? We got for, now this is for one box, isn't it? Now such 250 boxes are there. So first we will find what will be the area of 250 boxes. So TSA of 250 boxes. That will be 250. Okay. This area into 250. Now we will count. We'll calculate for 1000 centimeter square. Cost is 4 rupees. So for this much centimeter square, what will be the cost? Now I am not multiplying this because it will be cancelled. What will be the cost? Okay, this into 2184 250 divide by 1000. Okay, so this 0 will go. 25 ones are 25 fours are 100. 4 cancel. So answer is 2184 rupees. So this is the rupees total cost of the cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes of such kind. Okay.